there is something we need. It's a leap of faith. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I will share my passion for nature and outdoor activity. In today's video, I'm going to show you a great hiking route near Stirling that is fairly easy and picturesque. It's the Cambusbarron and North Third Circular, which takes you around the beautiful North Third Reservoir and up to Lewis Hill for some stunning views. The North Third Reservoir was built for Grangemouth Town Council in 1905, and it's surrounded by a picture-perfect Scottish landscape of rolling hills, dense woodland and rocky outcrops. The reservoir is home to many birds, such as swans, ducks, geese, herons and osprey. You might also spot some deer, rabbits, foxes or even a badger along the way. The hiking route is about 3 miles long and takes around 1.5 hours to complete. It's generally considered an easy route and it's well worth it for the scenery and the history. The trail passes through several woodlands along the way, such as Middle Third Wood, where you can see some ancient trees and wildflowers. One of the highlights of this hike is Lewis Hill, which is a rocky outcrop that offers amazing views over the reservoir and beyond. You can see Stirling Castle, the Wallace Monument, Ben Ledi and even Edinburgh on a clear day. Lewis Hill is also a great spot for a picnic or a rest before heading back down. Along this hike you'll also encounter some interesting historical features, such as an old water pump house that dates back to 1905, a meter house that remains in Scottish Water's ownership, a water storage tank south of the treatment works, and a battle axe of lava that was found in 1920 during the construction of the North Third Reservoir. This hike is one of my favourites because it combines nature, history and adventure in one package. It's also very accessible from Stirling city centre by car. If you're looking for a fun day out in Scotland with some breathtaking views along the way, then this hike is perfect for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Third Reservoir and its surroundings. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to leave me a comment below to tell me what you think of this hike, or if you have any questions about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.